How to hide recommendations in YouTube TV. Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to discuss how to hide recommendations in YouTube TV. While personalized recommendations are designed to help you discover new content, you might prefer a less cluttered home screen or want to stop seeing certain types of suggestions. Let's see what options are available. YouTube TV's home screen is designed to provide a mix of live content, your recently watched programs, and personalized recommendations based on your viewing history and what's popular. Unlike some other streaming services, YouTube TV does not offer a specific setting to completely turn off or hide all recommendations on the home screen. The recommendations are an integrated part of the user experience. However, you can influence the recommendations you see and potentially make them more relevant or less intrusive by managing your viewing history. Since recommendations are based on what you watch, clearing your watch history for specific programs or entirely can impact the types of recommendations you receive. We covered how to clear your watch history in a previous video. You can do this through your Google account activity settings at myactivity.google.com, filtering by YouTube history. Clearing history for content you don't want similar recommendations for can help. Additionally, on some devices, when presented with a specific recommendation row or card on the home screen, you might have an option to dismiss it or indicate that you are not interested in that type of content. This is usually done by highlighting the recommendation and looking for an options menu, sometimes accessible by pressing a button on your remote or a menu icon. This feedback can sometimes help the recommendation algorithm. While you cannot entirely hide the recommendation sections, keeping your watch history managed and providing feedback on specific recommendations when options are available are the primary ways to influence what appears on your YouTube TV home screen. We hope this video clarified how to manage recommendations in YouTube TV and the current limitations on hiding them. If you found this information useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and guides.